Hello everyone, it's Iveoma. I am your guide to Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you the places I stayed in Kampala, Uganda and Nairobi, Kenya. Please like and subscribe for more of this content. If you do book a stay through Airbnb, please use the links in my description box. You'll be supporting this channel and get some money back too. This is my hotel room in Kampala. Here are all my stuff, traveling light. The bed, there's the Ankara fabric, look at it. Africa. And then the table. Yes, nice light around the room. Not very bright though. Here's my wardrobe, shower shoes that they gave me and towel. Here's my bathroom. So this is kind of weird. There's a toilet in the shower. So I don't know about that. That's a little strange to me. Everywhere I've been, they have this like open drainage thing. I guess it's the fashion. That's like the water heater, I guess. So I arrived to my Airbnb. I'm not gonna lie, these locks alarmed me. I stayed 2 days and then moved to a hotel. This Airbnb was safe, but it took a while to find this Airbnb with like a lot of reviews. And so Kampala doesn't have an Airbnb culture yet, so I would definitely suggest staying at a hotel. This is behind my Airbnb, a mix of new and old. So I wake up every day because of the chickens. I'm not gonna lie. They start crowing at 6 at least. You see those chickens? See these chickens? These chickens wake me up every day. We finally reached our Airbnb in Westlands. Westlands is a really rich area in Nairobi. It's close to everything, so like many malls, bars, restaurants, markets. This is the spot. I really liked how big this apartment was. The living was really nice and spacious. It was well decorated. Now I'm heading to the balcony, lots of construction outside and along the road. Here's the kitchen, very big, had appliances and big cabinets. So let's talk about price, right? So it was essentially, with all bills included, it was $67 a night. Divided into 3 means that me, Christina, and Rachel paid $22.33 each for 3 nights. So I thought that was actually pretty wonderful. So here's Rachel's bedroom, small but cozy. This bathroom situation didn't really make sense to me because you can't, like, who made this? It hits the sink. We're back in the kitchen, very spacious, very big. Now we are walking to my bedroom. I actually like my bedroom. It was really big. See, very big, very spacious. It came with a kid's crib, which I thought was really cute. And then also has this very big dresser. One thing I'd say is like all the apartments in Nairobi have this dresser. The bathroom is very big, very spacious. Then now we're in Christina's room. Same setup. It's a little bit smaller than mine, but bigger than Rachel's. Here's the short hallway. Here's the living room. It looks just like the listing, so I'm happy. Here's the dining room. I did some shopping. Here are the 3 bedrooms my friends are staying in, and I'm staying in that one. I'm staying in this 3rd one. And look, it's pretty big. You know, I came first, so I get to choose. And then the master bathroom. Ooh, and then this. Look how big this closet is. I mean, I'm not gonna use it at all. Get my clothes in my suitcase. But still, it's pretty big. So I rented actually an apartment. So found this place on Airbnb. Looks pretty good. I don't see any bugs. It's very clean, dust free. They all have these huge wardrobes though, which is pretty cool. And then here's a sink for them. And here's their bathroom.